This video presents an audiobook titled Passive Income Blueprint: Escape the Myths, Master the Strategies, and Achieve Financial Freedom, a step-by-step guidelines to sustainable wealth. We are sharing a stunning audiobook that can truly transform your habits, lifestyle, and financial future. If you are aiming for financial freedom and successful lifestyle over time, this audiobook is for you that has something powerful to offer. Are you tired of trading your time for money? Do you dream of a life where your income works for you, even while you sleep? Passive Income Blueprint is your definitive roadmap to achieving financial freedom through sustainable, long-term strategies that actually work. In this transformative guide, you'll go beyond the buzzwords and break free from the misleading myths that plague the world of passive income. Instead, you'll uncover real, actionable insights that empower you to build wealth steadily, confidently, and with purpose. Magnifying glass tilted left inside this audiobook, you'll discover the truth about passive income, debunk the biggest myths and misunderstandings that keep most people stuck in the rat race, multiple income stream models, explore proven passive income models, from digital products and affiliate marketing to real estate, dividend investing, and more. Step-by-step blueprints. Follow practical, easy-to-understand roadmaps that take you from beginner to builder of sustainable income systems. Automation and scalability. Learn how to set up systems that run on autopilot while scaling your income potential exponentially. A mindset and discipline. Discover the mental habits and financial principles that separate wealthy achievers from daydreamers. Common pitfalls to avoid. Learn from the mistakes of others and steer clear of scams, time wasters, and burnout traps. Busts in silhouette. Who is this audiobook for? Aspiring entrepreneurs and side hustlers. 9-to-5 workers seeking financial independence. Investors looking to diversify their income. Creators, freelancers, and digital nomads. Anyone who wants to break free from financial stress and create lasting wealth. Compass what you'll gain from this audiobook? By the end of this audiobook, you'll have a clear, personalized action plan to create and grow your own passive income empire. You'll be equipped with tools, confidence, and clarity to start building wealth on your terms, without relying solely on active work. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your financial game, Passive Income Blueprint is more than just an audiobook. It's your launch pad to a freer, richer, and more meaningful life. Whether you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or looking to diversify your income, this audiobook provides the roadmap to financial independence, one step at a time. It's time to stop dreaming about financial freedom and start building it. Let Passive Income Blueprint be your guide to a future of freedom, flexibility, and lasting wealth. This audiobook provides practical strategies, inspiration, and actionable steps for those ready to grow, succeed, and thrive. Ready to transform your life and achieve financial freedom? Grab your audiobook here. Want to start your journey towards success and happiness? Grab your audiobook here. How to get this audiobook? Go to the video description below and click the selected audiobook link. Comment and like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe the video and check out the links in description below to grab your audiobook. Change starts with action. Start today by grabbing your favorite audiobook. Thank you and regards for watching the video.